Hello, good morning. Anand Commerce College Anand, managed by Ramkrishna Shiva Mandal. COVID-19 critical conditions to our college implement online teaching. Here, myself T.N. Chaudhary, subject economics, breaking Indian business environment. This call number UM05 GBBA 21. This subject to divide it four part. First part, introduction to business environment. Second part, non-economic environment. Third part, macroeconomic variables. And fourth part, economic policies. All part weightage is equal to 25%. Their first part, to in a more and main important point, meaning of business environment, its types and components. Second, interaction of economic with non-economic environment. Third, scanning, meaning approaches sourcing of information. And last, SWOT analysis as a method of environmental scanning. The four main point to include this part. Second, non-economic environment. Here main point to demographic transaction theory of population. Second, compositional characteristic of Indian population and economic development. Third, population policy of India. Interaction between government and business, socio-cultural fabric, lifestyle and business. And last point, the women empowerment. Third part, the macroeconomic variables, the national income by industrial origin and occupational structure. Second, saving, investment and capital output ratio. Third, foreign trade, main trend in import and export. And the last, the India's balance of payment and currency convertibility. And the last part, 4, economic policy. Their main point, the economic survey, current union budget, its highlight, export-import policy, privatization and exit policy. And the last, credit policy. Here, the cover of 4 part. This subject made reference book available in our library and net. First, economic environment of business, Adhikari M. Indian economy, Professor A.N. Agrawal. Essential of business environment, Professor Aswathappa K. Business and government, Cherulinum F. And this author's second book, A Business Environment. Next, Indian economy, KP Sundaram and Dutt. And last, business environment, Professor Jain and Jain. This book to available this subject main point. So now we are beginning first unit, the introduction to business environment. This is the first point, meaning of business environment, its types and components. The here question, what is the business environment? What are its types and components? This is the essay types question. The here first of all, here answer to introduction. The business environment is the most important aspect of business. The first is constitute the business environment that is supplier, competitors, media, government, customer, economic condition, investor, and multiple other institutions working extremely. So let us start with the introduction to the business environment and learn its importance. Here, business may be understood as the organizational effort of enterprises to earn profit. Business may be small or big or big size, but all of them aim at making profit. The business is produce and distribution goods and services. Distribute goods and services. The various different activities that various raw material to the factory and the end product from there to the market constitute business. The business characteristics following point here bigger role of government. Here the government is more supported or promoted to the expansion business. The which types of government in our economy to the set or promote to in industry, this is the more important. This is the characteristic. Our Indian economy in the first year plan to introduce in 1951, then after to more and more financial and non-financial assistance to provide to our industry reason up to expansion of our business, and this is the more favorable to set a business. This is the more important in, and the competition. The in a business is the more and more to competition. Today, every business to available our economy. And many types of goods and services provided, produce, distribution, this type our business. In the more and more competition to one business to another businesses. And our businesses main aim is profit. This, the competition is more important. And these types. Opportunities. The every business to get a new opportunity, this type to in a set our business. This is the more important the opportunities. The predominance of the small businesses. Every business to set in the first beginning in a small, and then after to expansion this business and long way to in a small to in a big business. This type globalization. Today, on world level, to every business set in the global level, not in a nation or in a only one economy. But today, every business to share in a global level. This is the more point. It is globalization situation. Every business to share in a traditional technology and advanced technology and to in a more and more support to R&D. This the more important and to it is going to in a global level. The technology more important today. Today, reason the every goods and services to produce without technology not a possible. The every producer to product own goods and services depend on a new technology, and every business to every year or the uh, in a uh, every time to in a research and development and the modern and when this business advance reason to in a dependent technology and the winning trust and transaction. This is the our Indian business to in a this type to in our Indian business characteristics. Again, our economy, every business situation. The here may I to share to in a new and old situation. The here to in a two part, the old situation and new situation. The which type our business share our economy. The here the old situation is the reform strategy. Reason of the British rules the dualism system available our economy. This is not this government not to interest to share the Indian business. And at this time, the more important to the pre-reform to strategize this situation. And then the closed economy, only our business to share in our economy, not in the worldwide. That situation. And self-reliance, every business share on business to an on hand, not to any other, not a financial assistant, on financial to invest our business and this type to share in our businesses. The state lead economic growth. The state lead more and more business to share in the government that time and our the public sector is available this year in the new second 5-year plan to we are to share in the industrialization and then after to in a more and more support to in a public sector and this time the that the import substitution strategies the import many commodity to India to import and any other country this situation is and not and more commodity depending other countries and we are not to in a implement in a substitution situation but fourth 5-year plan, we are more and more focused to in a substitution commodity produce our economy and then I more and more important to in a substitution strategies. Next, the license dominant regime. This is the system implementing license system and in the which type business to give a government to license and this the more critical condition when we are not to set a easily industry this time. Frequent state intervention. The government intervention in any business to in a step by step. This situation, the not to freely to set our business that time. Political administration prices and political to involve the business factor this time. Not much concern for the deficits and development by inflationary process. This is the situation. Public sector in the engine of growth that time and dominance of the public sector units and restriction of the FDI and MNC that time. restriction on the currency movement, state controlled interest rate, state controlled credit, underdeveloped capital market. This type situation in a old condition to our business to how to set. And the new version, the new reform in a industrialization, or we have to set in a our business, the new version is the economic reform strategy. The economic reform strategy in a year by year or planning by planning to in a and a time to time we have to reform to in economic situation. First of in the 1950 and to 5-year plan to introduce, and the 1960-67 to Green Revolution, and year by year to we are set a new industrial policy, new monetary policy, and we have to set. And then after in a new and a large in economic reform in 1991 to LPG, liberalization, globalization, and privatization. This is to implement and our economy to in an open economy this time. And today our economy is open and integrate with the world market. And we have to go into in a world market. This not to local market. And this situation today, the market determine economic growth. And our economic growth not to industrialization or not in a production situation, but we are to market demanded. Which type the market? This situation to our depending economic growth. This situation today, export-oriented strategies and a day by day or year by year to in a new exim policy to reform and decentralizing. We are to reduce in the licensing systems. Deregulation. We have to deregulation to set in a regulated to in the privatization concept or the disinvestment concept. This is the implement in today this condition and a selective and effective state intervention. And this type, which state is the more and more focused to in the business expansion. This is to selective and effective to intervention to in the government to state. And market determine price at large, and every business to depend on the market price, not on price. This situation and the competition is the 100% available in market. This is conditions. The contain all kind of the deficit, the deflationary monetary and fiscal policy, and private investment in the growth engine, and the withdrawal from the area of the private investment, introduction to FDI and MNC, liberalization of the restrictions, and deregulation to interest rate, credit policy reform to capital market. This type to implement and a new agenda to implement to our business setup. The meaning of business environment. The business environment is the total of the external and internal factor that the influence in the business. You should keep in mind that external factor and the internal factor can influence each other and work together to affect in the business. For example, health and safety regulation is an external factor that influences the internal environment of business operation. Additionally, some external factor and beyond your control. These the factor are the often called external constraint. And the external internal factor, this factor possible to own hand, own decision, and self-reliance. This is the internal. And the external, this factor we are not to own hand. And to affect to in the external to our business. This is the external factor. This type to the two external and internal factor affect to our business. This is the here we have to cover to in a external and important factor. This is the how to affect our business. This is the more important definition. The Professor Ken Davis. In short, the business environment is the aggregate of the condition, event, and influence that the surround and affected the business. Here business is the aggregate of all condition, aggregate our business which is factor affected at which time or which date affected, the worst condition, our whole business. This is the more important. The here in the aggregate of all condition. Even which type activity to set a business. The here business is to in the production process, the production, distribution, and marketing, and to provide in a good service to people, this activity, this event possible in a business. So this is the which types of event to add our business. So this is the main point. And includes the surround. And includes the surround to our business to totally affect the surround, not in a production process, not in a marketing process, not in a storage or not to in a purchase condition, but all business to affected to include here and affect the business. To our business affect to here many reason or many factor affected our business. The this is to include the Professor Keith David in repeat the business environment is the aggregate of all condition, event, and influence the surround and affect the business. And other professors define business environment. Their names is the below Professor Wheeler, Professor F. Gluck, and Lawrence R. George. Here, Professor Gluck and Lawrence George, the environmental include the factor outside the farm which can lead to opportunities for or threat to the farm. Although there are many factors, the most important of the sector are socio-economic, technology, supplier, competitor, and government. And the Professor Wheeler, this definition, the business environment is the total of all things external to business, firm, and industries which affect their organization and operation. This is the two authors' definition. Next, types of the business environment component. The here types of business environment component is a same, but here I present two types of business environment, and next in a different types of component. But here is the equal. But any book to available, the types and component is the same. So here the two types of business environment, the internal environment, the external environment. Internal environment, this factor affect to the own hand. Our business affect this factor. The which type factor, or which is factor to affected. This factor to own hand, own power, own decision making, depend. This condition, this is the internal environmental. They are in a business organization subject. We are the economic factors and the market factor. However, the economic factor, this type in a internal environment, external. The internal environment in the this the factor affected to this the photo or table. Here the first, the internal environment, the promoters and shareholders, values, mission and objectives, management structure and nature, internal power relationship, company image, brand equity, physical asset, facility, R&D and technological capabilities, and human resources, all factor to affect our business to internal, not external. This factor and many any other, the factor to affect our business, the value system, mission and objective, management structure and nature, internal power relationship, human resources, company image and brand equity, financial resources, managerial policies, work environment, other factor, physical asset and facility, R&D and technological capability, and marketing resources, all factor on here. Every business have. So for example, here the promoter and shareholder. Promoter is the businessman, and shareholder, so we are to share a equity, deposit, a security, many type. The we are need to in a money in the market, how to collect the money in market. So this is this condition, we have to issue a equity, bond, security, etc. This is the own power, own hand, which is high or low, or more or less. We are to collect a money in market. Whenever we have to introduce the shareholder issue, the share or debenture. This is the own hand, not to other hand. We are and we are to in a 100 crore money needed whenever we are to issue in a 100 crore share. This situation, this is the on hand or values. The value system is the more important. We have to produce goods. Then the value is the more important. For example, pharmaceutical industry. In the pharmaceutical industry to produce a medicine. So here the medicine in the 25 mg, 50 mg, 100 mg, 500 mg, 1000 mg. Here the more important value. Here we are not to set, we are not to manage value. The more danger situation available or possible, this condition, the value is more important. Second, in any other, in a food grade or manufacturing types in a technological situation, here the value is more important. We are not value said our business is not a successful. This is the on hand. Mission and objective. Mission and objective are more important. The which types our mission or objective. In generally, every business mission is only to in a profit. But profit is not a important. We are to business share and our business to expansion in economy. These are the many times of our mission, the vision and objective. This is the more important. The on mission, on objective, on vision, not any other. Here, this is the internal factor to affect management and structure or nature. Management is on hand. Our staff, more recruit or less recruit, our manage, liberal or restricted, on hand, not any other. This type, nature, which types, artificial or naturally. This is the producers or businessmen on hand, not any other. In internal power relationship, how to share a labor, staff, or administration, or entrepreneur. This is the more important. Our power is the liberal or restricted. So here, which types our relationship in any other, the worker, administration, our company. This is the more important. We are the honesty or manner or liberal relationship. They are more positively affected our business, and our relationship is danger, restricted. This is the bad effect our business. Company image and a brand equity. More important, company image. Today, many company available in our economy, and this company's image is different. Brand is different. For example, our Gujarat and dairy industry. Dairy industry to produce a milk product, but here the many types of the dairy industry. This is the different types of the milk product goods. For example, Amul and Sabar to produce ghee, but different types of ghee, and more interest or market share to in a Amul ghee, not in a Sabar. This is the more important, the brand or image, our business image. Which types of our business image? This is the successful or unsuccessful condition set to in our image or brand. This is the more important to affect it on, not a external. Physical asset and facility. This is the more important. We have to physical assess the which types or which is the physical asset, high or low or no. This is the more important. For example, Tata Industry. In a first time to introduce our economy and share in a this uh, company or today the big side. This is to produce in a small goods to a large goods. But here asset is the high level, where high or more. This is the physical asset. जो physical asset is high, then we are to facility provide to every worker, administration, to very easily. This is the more important, the physical asset and facility. On hand, not to another hand. This is the more important. R&D, research and development is the more important. Today, we are stay in the competitive market. We are to not in every time to research and development. And this research and development to implement our business, we are to successfully. This is the more important. And technological capability. We are not to produce today possible without technology. This is the more important. This is and technology to implement on business. The on hand, not any other. This and human resources. Human resources, the weak type. Human resources set our business. This is the on hand, not another. This factor affected our business is the internal. This type. The internal environment. These are goods or better, our business is success. But bad or restricted, our business is unsuccess is the more important. The external environment. The external environment is the two types, the micro and the macro level. We are know to what is micro and what is macro. Here, the micro level in the only one point or the in a small or the tiny types. These are micro and macro in the whole or the every or the aggregate. This type in the macro. Here the micro level, the customer is only one by one. This type is the micro. The consumer situation, what condition, this attitude, this choice is the different type and individual. This analysis to individual. The one customer's attitude, one customer's honesty, one time customer's situation. This to analysis to any other customers to in a know it to which types of customer. This the customer is the only one. The external, the customer, which type of our business affected. The customer is a own goods purchasers. Customer's choice is more important. Whenever customer choice own brand, so when we are sold in a more and more goods and we are get to in the profit, this is the more important. Customer is the opposite side, not owned. Whenever the customer choice to buy on buy this good purchase, we are purchasing, but we are not to choose our brand. We are not to purchase, and we are not to in a sell on good. This is the customer is on side or the demand side, and producer is the supply side. The here the more important the customer. Whenever customer favorable to our business, the business is successful, and the customer is not to our favorable, the business is the unsuccessful. Supply is the more important. Our business, we are to producing goods. That type the provider, the supplier, money lender, or any other power, electricity, transporter, or any other facility to provide in a continuity or any time to provide the supply. We are more and more produce to our product, sold in market to product, and we are getting a profit, our business successfully. But here, whenever to in a disturb or link to in a raw material condition, power condition, we are the bad effect our business. The external supplier is the external, not on hand to provide in a raw material, equipment, any other facility. Competitor is the other side. Here, one businessman, there is not a competition or a monopoly, this type. This is the not competition. But here, the two producer available in market, so this is the competition, the two producers. Here, the three producer, four producer, many producer available in market. Whenever to increase it one by one, two producer available, the competition is the more and more critical. Our competition is increasing. and every businessman aim is profit. And when the profit to get to the more on shore in the market or capture of customer, this is the competition. Is the competition is the on hand in the market condition, not on. This is the what types of the situation in and today global level or local level competition high. The every business man to set a business is very risky. But when the competitor more important and publish is the other hand, not on hand publish. Our business situation to publish in a newspaper, article, or any other books to publish. There the situation, the favorable article published in the market, our business is a success. But in a negatively published our business situation in market, the here we are not to succeed. The on in the on other side, not to on hand, the published and finance and the financiers. Finance is the other hand. We are capital is scarce. We are more need to in a money. And the money is the other hand, not on hand. On hand money but limited. But in a business to more and more need to in a money. The financier is the other hand. The every financier to support our business. We are too easily doing in a any other activity to our business. But the financier not to provide it in the money. The disturb or the link or block our business not in a successful. The here is the more important. And marketing intermediate. The here we have to produce and distribute two types the situation in our business. The here the marketing intermediate is more important. Customer to customer, customer to business, business to business. This type situation today possible in economy. The here the business to customer. The here the here the man, so this person includes the intermediate. The here we are produce commodity and to reach in a customer. The here in a this the customer and business between the more people available or more agency available, we are business is the on success and here direct to solve in a customer. The we are here not a intermediate possible and we are to succeed our business. So for example in agrarian in a farmer to produce vegetable and a vegetable produce and to in a reach in a customer, the here more intermediate available when producer the farmer has a to get in a low price and customer to pay in a high price. This situation possible. Reason the more and more people to include in a intermediary. This the rich are there to provide in a vegetable. This condition and here the macro environment. This is the aggregate. This is the macro in a whole, such as the economic factor. The economic factor is the more affected to our business anytime, anyway. The production process, distribution, marketing, any other the economic factor to affect our business. The economic factor which type? The, for example, monetary policy. The monetary policy is the more important. Monetary policy, the main objective is to set in a supply of money to maintain economy. Whenever to more and more need to money, so here to the liberal policy implement our economy and the no need to more money or when to introduce in a restricted monetary policy implement our economy. This type the fiscal policy. The fiscal policy people affected our business. Which types of the fiscal policy implement our economy? This is the economic policy. The which types of the liberal or restricted economic policy, the industrial expansion or not expansion, whenever government to introduce in the high taxes or many times the tax implement, so every business profession losses and whenever to bad affect or bad condition affect our economy. The economic factor, the more important is the external factor not on hand. Social and cultural fabric. Social is the more important. Social and culture is the important in our business. The social is a which type need to social one This is the more important. And we are to which types of commodity produced on business, the more important. When we are to produce this commodity whose need to every people's. Here we are to produce the more needed to social. This is our business is successful, but there the no need product we are to produce, our business is not a successful. And culture is the more important. India is the cultural economy. Many types of the cultural program and our economy. For example, Natal, Janmashtami, and Rath Yatra, and Kite Festival, Raksha Bandhan. This is the cultural situation. These types of need to in a commodity. We have to produce this type of commodity or the seasonal business. This type is the more and more favorable to in the cultural factor. This factor is not on hand to another hand. This the more affected our business in a good or bad, two types. And next, demographic factor. Demography is the more important. This economy in the high population situation, the business is more successful. And this economy and less population, this business is not a successful. The demographic is the more important. We have to produce this good to more need to people, not any other. Here, the more important factor. This India and China is a more favorable example to in our business to in a expansion. Political and government factor. Political and government factor are more important. Today, world level, every economy to interfere a government anytime, how to produce, whom to produce, which is to produce, which types of goods produce, or which is to distribution, this level to in a more interfere a government. All decision and take a government, not a producer. This is the bad effect in economy. This is the external factor to affect our business. And political is a more important point to in our business. The which type of political situation to our affect our business is the communist, democratic, any other politic condition to affect our business. The which types of political situation said this economy, this is the more affected. And natural factor is a more important. This is the not on hand, the natural, as a God hand. This type factor, for example, heavy monsoon, flood, earthquake, disease, any other factor to affected our business. The more and more or heavy monsoon, not to increase agro crop and not to a more and more gain to the farmer. This situation, our business to an affected a natural factor. Technological factor. Technological factor is affected to our business. Today, without produce to goods and services to a technology. This is more important. Today, we are every goods and services to provide depend on a technology. Transportation. This is more important. Communication. Warehousing. Auto machinery. All equipment depend on a technology. The technology, what is technology? We are know the technology. For example, a simple to a calculator. This is a technology. But this technology more favorable to in a how to rapid calculate facility provide every man. This calculate more useful every man. This a technology to we are accept, and today we are easily to more critical calculate depend in a calculation. This is technology. Second, as a transporter, we are transfer one place to another place goods, depend on transportation. And a very easily, short time, we are to provide this facility, depend on a transportation. Communication, telecommunication. Today, every market, goods and services price, we are know, depend on a telecommunication system. This is the more important technology. Is the other hand technology, not a on hand. This is the more important. And global factor, global factor, we are to produce goods and services and to selling in local market, but not to get in a more profit. So we are getting a highly profit or more profit whenever we are going to global level, and a global level factor the more affected our business. So the one country to another country, the one country or one place to another place is the more affected. Different types of the factor affected. For example, India and China. India and China too, the global level. We are to export China, our commodity, the were affected, these are affected the China's government policy, China's monetary, fiscal, industry, regime, every policy affected to our goods and services. This type to affect. This is the global factor affected. All factor to affect our business to in a positively or negatively. And this type to share today we are business. Here to in a every student to in a deeply to material provide this my uh, this my this unit to take this also in a my computer. The here on the same point here for example internal factor such as personal, physical, facility, organization, functional, such and market mix to suit the environmental. A national factor, on the other hand, a large bear on control of a company, the external environment factor, such as economic factor, socio-cultural factor, government, legal factor, demographic factor, geophysical factor, etc. This is the factor affected to our business. The here in this the factor is available. Mission, objective, management structure, nature, internal power relationship is the material provide to this chapter, and to the more important to our exam. And next point, important components of the difference level of the business environment. The components is the same the types of business environment, and here to in the macro level and micro level. The macro level to here legal environment, political government environment, demographic environment, socio-economic environment, and global environment, economic environment, technological nature and environment. This is component to in a macro environment. And this situation in the micro level, the financiers, customers, suppliers, marketing intermediate, and publicists. This is the external. And here internal environment. The internal environment, the promoter and shareholder values, mission objectives, management structure, internal power relationship, physical asset and facility, and company image, brand equity, human resource, financial resource, technological capability, marketing capability. The component here. Here, okay. So what is importance of the business environment? The here, to in a short paragraph, the here, the more important today, the business is the advanced, or business is a more important today. Every people to beginning a business or to start a business, but not to succeed. So here we are knowledgeable, we are know to what is business, not to or what is environment or what is condition in a world level to have to set our business. This is the more important. They have the more significance of the business environment is that the business decision in the journal and the strategies, the business decision which type we are to take to decision and our gym planning. This is condition is the more important. And a strategy, the what strategy our business with the competitor available in market, shortage money, material, any other condition available in the what types our business or the what condition our business or the which types of we are produce the goods. So this is the more important in our businesses in the particular are modeled by the business environment. Thus, external factors like the economic business environment, political regularly, socio-demographic, technological, competitive, and natural factor which make up the opportunity for the threat of the business and the internal factor like the resources, capabilities, and the goodwill of the organization, internal coordination, etc., which decide the strength and weakness of the firm is the more important to in a business environment. The limitation of the business environment. Here, the business environment is not in a sufficient guarantee of the organizational effectiveness. It is only one of the inputs in the strategy development. It does not tell the future. In the development of the strategy in the business environment, analysis should reduce the frequently and the external extended of the surprises. This is the business limitation.